Here's a continuation of what I just talked about in the video about the daylilies. So I took one and split it into 3, which is what I'll do on the other side here too. But the other thing I've done today is, this is lamb's ear. It started out as a tiny little plant. It's less than a year old. Anyway, lamb's ear is so beautiful in your garden. This one doesn't bloom, but it still gives texture and a different color, different shape. So I really love it. I took a piece from here and a piece from there, and I brought it over to this garden. And I put it by this little bench because I wanted something that's going to be full and low. It looks sad, but it'll be fine. So that when I look out my windows in the wintertime and in the spring and summer, I can see these sweet little birds here. So anyway, that's another project for today. And I'm getting some more dirt delivered, so I'll keep on working down this garden here. I can't wait till I see it next year because it's going to be so beautiful. The vision in my head does not look like this. Have a great day.